guys, we come back to the Bisheng digital printing course online broadcast. Today I teach you how to do the calibration for offset and step calibration. Lots of people will meet the problem that take a UV print for print, will meet the problem for overlap. What do you mean overlap? Overlap means print the picture with wet, color, and varnish cannot print at the same position. So, for example, the wet at top of the color ink at top of the wet ink move to left or to right, to front or to back. So this we call the print overlap. So this problem always get because the printer cannot get good calibration for step calibration and for offset calibration or the mechanical making problem. So for focus alpha-jet printer, the printer with high configuration mechanical and electronic spare parts, so just require a little bit offset calibration and step calibration. So we meet with high printing precision and high resolution print. So today I teach you step by step how to align a printer for good calibration with step and calibration. So we open the cover for alpha-jet. Then we go to the print software. Then we go to the Focus alpha-jet control system, and we go to the attribute. Then we find out the maintain calibration. And we just need to adjust the one pass, the basic step, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is no need to adjust. We just need to adjust the one pass. So if the one pass is correct, the other pass will be working. So we go to the step calibration and we choose one pass, and later we choose print, and we just need to change. We get the correct number with which one is the best with closed by 0, and we put the number here. But here must remember we cannot put directly. For example, we get the best 2 lines across the number is -2, and we just -2 plus 0 is still -2. So put -2 here. But if the number right now is 1 and we get the best number with 2 line close after we print, we need to calculate 1 plus -2 is -1. So we need to put -1 here. So this is not put the number directly, but we need to find out the best number that with 2 lines print closed 0, which one is the best. And then we calculate the number with current number and get the result. And then we put the result, the calculated result here. And here's no need to fear, we just change here. So normally this number will not need to change because all the parameters were set and tested before delivery. So if you cannot get good quality, you can do the step calibration. Actually, this number is keep default, it's okay. So we go to choose step calibration and we click print. Then we can see some lines print out. We enlarge the camera, we can see the lines. The lines have some digital rules. For 0, we can see here is 0, and to the left is plus, to the right is minus, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we must be sure 0 is the best. 0 is the best. 0 must be 2 lines must be closed like this. This must be 0. And KC, MY the same, also white and varnish. So if 0 is not closed, we must put
For example, 2 is close, not 0. Here, this 2 means minus 2. So we need to put the minus 2 on the software. Not put directly, but the minus 2 plus the current number. Then will be, for example, right now is 1. We put minus 2 will be 3. Plus 2 will be 3. So put the number plus the number shown on software, and totally the result put on the software, and print again to be sure the 0 is a close point. So this is a step. After we do the step for, so right now 0 is correct, so we don't need to adjust it anymore. And then we go to 8 pass and print again to calibrate the 8 pass calibration. And also we can see the 0 is close. 0 is close. 0 means good. If close by 2, by 4, not minus or plus, all are wrong. So we need to adjust per number and print again to be sure 0 and 0 for KCMY, all are 0 close. But this way is good. So this is the step calibration.